Hello, I'm going to show you how to terminate the straight through cable. I'm going to use the T568B color code, which starts with I don't know if you can see here, orange white, orange, green white, solid blue, blue white, solid green, brown white, and then solid brown. After organizing them, I'm going to push them to the RG45 in their order. There we go. After that, I put the RG45 in the crimping tool and squeeze till it clicks. And that's done, and I'm going to do the same on the other side. I'm going to do the same here by organizing them in the T568B color code. The same I've already explained. I've already detangled them. They are here, as you see. So it also starts with orange white, orange, solid orange, then green white, then blue, solid blue, then blue white, then solid green, brown white, and then brown, just like as you see them here. This is not part of them, this is as you see them here. I'm going to organize them. I've organized them, as you see, in the same color code they're supposed to be in. Now I'm going to cut the tip to make them neat so that they can easily enter the RG45. I've cut the tip and they are now neat and ready to enter the RG45. I'm now going to push them to the RG45 in their same order. Oh my god. I'm going to put them in the crimping tool, and I'm going to squeeze until it clicks, just like that. And this side is done as well. So we are going to test our straight through cable that we've terminated. As you can see, it was successful. This is the cable that I terminated as the straight through cable, and so I'm going to terminate the crossover. But since I had already terminated these two as T568B, both of them, to make it a crossover, I'm going to cut one side and terminate it using the T568A to make it a crossover cable. I've cut one side and I'm going to terminate it using the T568A to make it a crossover. This side was terminated using the T568B. Now I'm going to terminate this using the T568A. And the color code is white, green, solid green, orange, orange white, solid blue, blue white, orange, brown white, and solid brown. I'm done arranging them, and I'm going to cut the tip to make them neat so they can easily enter the RG45. Just like that. Now I'm going to push them into the RJ 45. Let's try again. They have entered perfectly. We are now going to put them in the crimping tool and click. Just like that. And now it's done. It's a crossover. Okay, but this side is T568A. This is T568.